Still in my pajamas.
Next item, 22A1. The holiday. I will require this information prior to.
Now we're making the coffee. Best coffee ever. The best part, adding in some cinnamon. Yum! Breakfast is done. So this is my work from home setup. And I'm about to eat my breakfast. Hi. Lunch break. You can't see it from here. Nag-video ko sa gawas. Gusto ko mag-snow angel. And our Christmas tree is still up.
Ito. Dapat mag-document na ano pala preparation for tomorrow. Valentine's. Okay. Okay. Rolling.
See me rolling. Outfit check. Columbia. Uniqlo pajamas. Hunter boots. Digimon hair tie.
Kailangan na ng hair tie.
And then, bugnaw? Not so. I take it back.
Practice ko guys kay what if no makapalit ni Gar.
Yes, sir.
O practice na lang mo flow sa. Pwede pa mo drive. Flow lang.
Unsa di? What's the weather? The boy.
Mag-ana maka-girl ah?
Whoa, actually. Wait, na-update lagi ang date. Oh my gosh. Bugnaw. I can't even open my door. The snow is blocking my door.
Oh, sige ba mo nga ano siyang nag-flow. Kay mag-gym siya, bagagnaw.
Almost done.
Dapat na isilingan mo kita para ma-proud sila.
Good job, guys.
Sayang ting effort ni Roy oh.